I'm Matthew Rees. I've just come back into the family business, which is Albert Rees, the butchers in Carmarthen Market. My qualifications, as a butcher, I've been brought up in the trade. I was meant to be coming into the business from a young age, but I went my own way. I went down the accountancy road. So for the past 25 years, I've been an accountant, but change of plan, change of mentality. I've come back to take over the family business. Coming back to being a butcher has given me a new lease of life. I'm no longer stuck behind a desk. I'm now out in the public, meeting customers, working with meat. I'm just loving it. As a butcher, there's no point shying away from the fact that it is an early start. We get up, we do most of the work before customers turn up at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we get all the counters ready. Then from 9, it's the enjoyment part where you come to meet the customers. They come in, they ask about meat. It's a nice feeling knowing they're going home to have a quality meal at the end of the day. Our main product is Carmarthen ham. Carmarthen ham's got a PGI, a Protected Geographical Indication, one of only 20 products in Wales, 73 in the UK that's got this status. PGI is a stamp of quality, a stamp of heritage. In Wales, we've cured hams for many years. Dad's story is that when the Romans came over to Wales, the only thing they took back with them was our Carmarthen ham and changed it to Parma ham. The advice I'd give to a youngster wanting to come into the butchery trade is be prepared for hard work. There's no point shying away from it. It is hard work, but it's an enjoyable work. You get to learn about your food and where the food comes from. It's all good fun. We're all part of a big team. Get to meet the public. There's a lot of pluses to being a butcher. The nerdy fact I've got for you is that if you take a whole beef carcass, made it into burgers, you can squash out 400 burgers. And if you lay them end to end, they'll stretch out for a quarter of a mile. My favourite food, like my missus said, it's meat. Just meat in general. As long as meat on a plate, I'm happy.